Hi, welcome to tutorial number 3. This tutorial is actually looking at the internet browsers. You're probably used to Internet Explorer or Firefox on your PC, but by far the best browser for the Mac is Safari. That's my opinion. A lot of people like Chrome, Google Chrome, or actually Firefox on their Macs, but the choice is up to you. I prefer Safari for most things. I do use Google Chrome from time to time. So if we click on the icon of Safari, that will load up and you'll see the browser up here. Everything's exactly the same as you would expect on Internet Explorer. Here we have our URLs that we can actually type in. Along the underneath the URL bar there, we actually have some favorites that we can actually click and drag, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. To the right hand, we actually have an automatically Google option field that we can actually automatically Google things up. So if I wanted to Google up anything I could actually just type in test, and away we go. That will automatically Google up for me. Now let's say, for instance, that I actually wanted to bookmark something. So I would actually just double click on that and go to the website that I wanted to. And there's our school website. So I want to actually save this off and have this on my favorite. There's a couple of ways I can actually do that. I can actually click and drag down here, and you can see it's going to add it there for me. It's going to ask me what name do I want it, and I don't want such a long name, so I'm just going to go Saints Catholic Primary School, and I'm just going to put it as that. So now whenever I want to go to our school webpage, I can automatically go to it by clicking on this button here. Now another way I can actually bookmark is going to my bookmarks and then editing my bookmarks here, and this gives us a whole new different option for our bookmarks. And if I say show all bookmarks, it opens up a whole new page here, and it actually shows me all my bookmarks, things that I visited today, my bookmarks bar itself. I click on that and this shows me my bookmarks. There's the bookmark I just created. I can actually go to bookmarks menu and so forth, but all we're going to do is actually just go to our bookmarks bar. I'm going to right click here. Oops, sorry, not right click. I'm going to hit my add button, and I'm actually adding a folder, and I'm going to make this folder called school bookmarks. And in here, I'm actually just going to drag that into my school bookmarks. So now it's going to appear, and as I dragged it, you may have noticed it disappeared from the top up here, and it's automatically gone into a new folder that I've created. So from now on, if I have other school bookmarks that I'll put in there, things will just appear here. Now, let me go back to our school website. Let's say, for instance, I want to bookmark another thing, so I can just go to my class blog site, and this is my class blog. Doesn't matter about that, but I want to bookmark that into my school bookmarks folder. So again, I click on it, I click on the icon, and you'll notice that the whole URL is actually in blue now. I just drag, and I'm going to put it into school bookmarks, and I'm just going to hit OK in this instance. Now when I hit my down there, you'll see it there now saved. I have the option of saying open in tabs, and it will open up all my school bookmarks in different tabs across my screen. Now, what is a tab, I'm hearing you ask? A tab is a different type of way that we can actually surf. If I hit new tab, I'm presented with a whole new tab, but my browser is still open on the original page. This allows me to have multiple browser sessions open at the same time. I can close a tab and it will go back to my original page that I've loaded. I can open up a new window, and I have two browsers running, but this is a little bit inefficient because I have lots of different things there, different windows open, and it gets a little bit messy. But one thing I wanted to show you was I'm going to close my school one here. I'm going back to my Apple. Now, on the Apple webpage, you'll notice that there are video tutorials. There are a lot of video tutorials for different aspects. So again, if you are stuck and you want to learn a little bit more about your Mac, you can go to Mac Basics, and this will actually tell you a lot of different things about your Mac, things that I'm covering as well, but a lot of my tutorials will be geared around school use and specifically for our school, where these are very much more general and just learning how to use your computer. So here endeth tutorial number 3. Thank you very much.